welcome to today's video. So today is day 10 for the beautymas series here on my YouTube channel, and today is episode 7 of my top 5 favorite beauty products. So today we are talking all about moisturizers. So in the 5th spot we have Jafra Clear Smart Clear Pore Hydrator. This is probably the only Jafra Clear Smart line product that I love. This one definitely really does help to clear pores and hydrate. It's amazing. I love this moisturizer. In the next spot for the moisturizers, in the 4th spot, we have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Water Gel Moisturizer. That one, I think that was one of my first skincare products that I've ever used. I'm not sure. I think it was, and it was so good. I loved the consistency of that moisturizer. It was amazing. I love it. Okay, in the number 3 spot, this is more of like a 2-in-1 product, but I do really like it. It's a moisturizer and a primer. So this specific product is actually going to be in 2 videos because since it does 2 things. So this is the travel size of the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I love this. Is such a great moisturizer and face primer. I do really like it, and sometimes I do actually use it as an eye primer. So I normally would use it as a primer or a moisturizer. In the 2nd spot, we have a newer product that I found from ITK. This is the ITK Weightless Hydrating Moisturizer. I love to use this moisturizer in the summer since it's so light. I do really like it, and it helps to hydrate and helps to soften skin. I love it. It's one of my favorites to apply in the summer. So in the number 1 spot is also from ITK. This is the ITK Prebiotic Gel Moisturizer. It's amazing. I love it. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys tomorrow for day 11. Bye!